What's up, YouTube? Someone requested that I show before, during, and after inside this drum. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I basically fill up for a 60-pound bag, right up to those little rivets at the bottom there. Boom. Hopefully my phone doesn't drop in there. Boom. See the rivets there? How they're just there? Boom. Set this back down. Line it up. Boom. Grab my bag. Make sure it's all nice and shaped up. Boom. No splashing needed. You know what's really cool about the Steele Mixer is that's the hardest part. So I can mix concrete basically by listening. I don't even have to look at it. I think it's done, but I'm not gonna look. It's done. Now I didn't look in there yet. Still live. Come on over and look. Oh man! Look at that. Perfectly mixed concrete. I didn't even look. No dry spots. No nothing. Come on, man. Come on, man. That's got to be a world record there. Peace.